Resources are limited, while our effort to recycle resources is unlimited. Joined Upright Filter Press Company Limited is committed to create a more harmonious and beautiful world. Representation of municipal sludge dewatering system and technologies. As China's 12th five-year plan put forward specific requirements on driving treatment of sludge, the application of high-pressure membrane filter presses in deep dewatering of sludge is becoming more and more mature and widely acknowledged by wastewater treatment plants. The detailed technology is as follows. Sludge from pre-thickener is pumped into the equalization tank. Second, meanwhile, agent A of certain density is also pumped into the equalization tank, where the sludge and the agent react for about 20 minutes. Agent B, dry powder, is mixed with water into a solution of certain density and pumped into the equalization tank, where it reacts with the sludge for about 20 minutes. At the same time, the filter press starts. The main pressing cylinders close the mixed plate pack and press them tightly together. When the set max pressure has been achieved, the hydraulic motor stops and the drip tray closes to prevent any liquid to drop onto the conveyor and kick below. Now everything is ready. The low-pressure screw pump of high flow rate pumps the slurry into the chambers of the filter press. The solid is blocked by the filter cloth and remains inside the chambers, but the liquid penetrates the cloth and flows out of the filter press through water taps on the side of the plates, as well as four counterpart of the fixed plate. As the cake forms in the chambers, the pressure inside the chambers rises until the set pressure value, and then the PLC stops the below-pressure slurry pump, and the high-pressure slurry pump of low flow rate begins to work. As the pressure inside the chambers rises continuously, more liquid is forced out of the filter press. When the set max pressure has been achieved, the PLC stops the slurry pump. Squeezing starts right after slurry feeding. High-pressure centrifugal pump forces clear water into the membrane chambers of the membrane plates. The membrane plates swell up. The cake inside the chambers are squeezed and liquid is forced out of the chambers. After squeezing, some slurry with high moisture remains in the slurry feed passage. The high-pressure air will be used to blow the slurry back into the slurry tank. After the filtration is completed, the high-pressure air enters the chambers through the top counterpart of each plate and blow away the liquid remaining between the cloth and the plates, as well as inside the water discharge passages. The shifters will open the plate one by one. The cake is discharged into the hopper inside, which cake breaking grates are installed. and the broken cake is carried on to jugs outside by the conveyor. Till now, one cycle is finished. After the filter press runs for some period, material may remain on the cloth and block the small holes in the cloth, which will reduce the liquid penetration rate and hamper the filtration. Therefore, the filter cloth shall be cleaned regularly. The auto cloth washing system is controlled by PLC and the cloth will be cleaned automatically. The washing pressure is as high as 5 MPa. The cloth will be cleaned efficiently and completely. John Bright likes to create beautiful homes with you. John Bright, filtration expert around you.